In this video I'm going to show you what a Laplace transform is, the definition, as well as an example. In a normal function, we have an input t, or something with respect to t. It goes through the function, and out comes something with respect to t again. But in a transform, we have an input of t, just like before. It goes through this function, and out comes something with respect to s. So let me show you the formula for this. The definition of the Laplace transform is going to be the Laplace of whatever function you're given, and that is going to be equal to the integral from 0 to infinity e to the negative s t, and then that is times your function that you're given. This will be whatever is inside these brackets, dt. So whatever's in here, you plug into this section over here and you solve this to get your Laplace transform. So for our first example, we're going to do the Laplace of 1. This will be one of the most simple ones you can do here. So once we plug this 1 into this side over here, we get the integral from 0 to infinity e to the negative s t times 1 dt. Okay, so now we just need to solve this over here on the right side of the equation, and we get 0 to infinity e to the negative st dt, because this 1 just goes away. And the next thing we need to do is just take the integral of this. So we're going to get, let's see, negative 1 over s e to the negative s t, and then we're going to take that from 0 to infinity. We're just doing a simple integral now. So we're going to get negative 1 over s times e to the negative s, plug in infinity here. So when this goes down, e to the negative infinity ends up equaling 0, and so we can multiply negative 1 over s times 0, and that's going to be equal to 0. Okay, and then now we do the bottom here, so we'll subtract the next side. It's going to be negative 1 over s times e to the negative s times 0, and here we're going to get e to the 0, which is equal to 1, and since we're subtracting over here, subtracting a negative, we're going to go ahead and do plus and plus. So this is going to be equal to 1 over s times e to the 0, which is equal to 1 over s times 1, and this is going to be equal to 1 over s. So we have 0 plus 1 over s. So our answer for the Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 over s. And that's about the simplest it gets. For the beginning of doing Laplace transforms, you're always going to be given a function on the left side here that you'll plug in and get a final answer with respect to s. This is the longest way to do it. There'll be shortcuts and tables given, but this is the basics and you need to know it.